All right, folks, we're gonna be building a bench today. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a bunch of pieces, 13 and 9/16. Let's go ahead and clamp these on. I wanna make sure we're at 5 inches. Yeah, that's 5 inches. Over here, 5. All right, so I cut 4 pieces with a 36-degree angle, and that is perfect. It doesn't get any better than that. Okay, I got this assembled. I'm still gonna be adding pieces later, but for now I wanna keep it lightweight. We're gonna slide it up all the way to this level and re-clamp it up high. Okay, so I checked this with my level, make sure before we screw this off that it's level in both directions. You can see right here, perfect. So we'll just go ahead and perfectly level. So I'm gonna angle in right up here, right towards the corner. I'm going in like just about like that. Then I'll do another one here. Okay, this is the piece that you need for the corner. Let's see how it fits. I'm gonna put 4 3.5-inch screws in here. Okay guys, let me show you how I'm attaching to each post here. All right, what we're using here is the Bare Premium Plus paint and primer in 1. So I use this to coat all the decking joist. This color is Swiss Brown. I got everything pre-painted except for this piece here. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this. But yeah, this is a pro tip, is to always use a good quality paint and primer, and that will help protect all this pressure treated lumber from any water damage. Okay, this bench is ready to install the decking. Okay, first step for putting the decking boards on top is we're going to install the outer one here first, bevel the corner at the proper angle. Mine was 27 degrees. You want to make sure this is flush on the outside, and then now we'll move this out of the way, put in the hidden fasteners, conceal lock. Okay, we have all of our hidden fasteners installed. You can see at every joist in the corner, all the way down. Now let's go ahead and slide this in. You want to tilt it up a little bit at an angle, makes it a lot easier. Okay, this one, I can't really tilt it in because this is in the way, so I'm gonna have to point the tip in into that groove, slide it in, and then take the wood part of your hammer, tap it in. Now I want to close that gap up a little bit, so we're gonna go this way a little bit. Folks, we got 2 rows installed, all with the hidden fasteners. Again, the magic number is going to be 16 and 11/16. So the way you know that is when you put in decking boards, you can check a few times, 16 and 11/16. And also another way to check your last board's gonna fit, just get a scrap piece, tap it in, and you can see I'm perfectly flush. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, let's slide this one in. Okay, I got this last board in right here in the front. Looking good. Now, I let this side run wild. This one's cut to size, so what I'll do is simply make sure this is lined up perfectly like this, and then I'll scribe it up to the top, and then over, and then connect these dots. Make sure you got a straight cut. Same thing over here. Scribe this over. When you're putting on this front board here, a little trick is, you can see right here, I toe-nailed a screw in. So inside of that little tongue and groove, toe-nail a screw at an angle down into there, right into a joist. And that not only sucks it over real tight, but also you don't have to put a screw from the top. So now all we got to do is go long point to long point, which is 18 and 11/16. Okay, the end piece was just installed. Okay, I think we're good.